नंदन करते हैं श्रीमती नीता राजीव रोशन जी का. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming in here today. Moving forward, now we are ready for our awards. So our first award is for the Young Innovator of the Year. And it goes to, are you ready? Can I hear a yes? Yes. Niyati Tiwari. Can we welcome Niyati Tiwari with a huge round of applause? So the award that she's getting here today is for the Young Innovator of the Year.
Just a louder round of applause. This young woman just turned 17. She has already impacted over 10 lakh young women in cyber safety, cyberspace, and she's made sure that she's brought them online, handicrafts, tribal affairs, connecting them with the market. Truly inspiring. We'll hear more from Niyati, but many congratulations and thank you so much.
Congratulations, Niyati. And I would also request all the awardees to stay back because we would be calling you again to hear your experience, your story, your journey. Moving forward to our next awardee now, let's welcome Komal Narang for achieving the Excellence in Women's Wellbeing Award. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं कोमल नारंग के लिए. One of the first influencers who have created awareness about mental health and well-being. Can we have a round of applause for the lady here, please? Thank you. Next, we would like to call upon Supriya Paul Josh Toxe for achieving excellence in media. Let's welcome Supriya with a huge round of applause. Come on, people, hands up in the air, make some noise.
So just a quick one, Supriya, well deserved. She's really putting the josh in all the talking. She's empowering young people with soft skills. She does workshops, she's creating content, and she's a phenomenal speaker herself. Many congratulations.
Come on, everyone. Let's cheer along, louder. Congratulations, Supriya. Rise and shine indeed. Moving forward to our next awardee now, let me call upon for our next award in excellence in veterinary medicine, and it goes to Dr. Shelly Matu Jalali. For the lady here.
So for all our pet parents, she's a boon. Thank you, Dr. Shelly. Lovely to have you here.
Congratulations, ma'am. Please accept the small token of gratitude from our end. Rise and shine indeed. Next, we would like to call upon for our next award, which is for the Excellence in Nuclear Security Studies. And it goes to Professor Dr. Reshmi Kazi. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैम के लिए. Welcome, ma'am. Please come forward and accept a small token of appreciation from our end for your wonderful, immense work in the field of nuclear security. Please accept this small token of respect on our behalf. Thank you so much. Our next award is for the category of Excellence in Public Administration Education, and the award goes to Professor Charu Malhotra. Can we have a round of applause for the lady here? Many congratulations, ma'am. Please accept the small token of appreciation from our end for your immense work in the industry. Our next award is in the category of Excellence in Human Resource Management, and the award goes to Miss Premlata. Can we have a round of applause for the lady here? Many congratulations, ma'am. Please come forward and accept the small token of appreciation from our end. Next, we would like to call upon, everybody, can we have a round of applause, please? Next, we would like to call upon for excellence in media education, and the award goes to Professor Dr. Surbhi Dhaya. Come on, people, make some noise. I would also be requesting the humble presence of Professor Alan Das. I repeat. Congratulations, Surbhi. Rise and shine indeed. Moving forward to our next achiever here today. Our next award is in the category of excellence in ecopreneurship, and the award goes to Miss Akansha Gupta. Can we have a round of applause for the lady here? Many congratulations, Akansha. Please accept a small token of appreciation from our end. Moving forward to our next awardee now, which is for the award category Excellence in Women Empowerment, and it goes to Digital Shakti Cyber Peace. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the entire team here who have done immense efforts in the field of women empowerment. Please accept this small token of appreciation from our end, please. Many congratulations to you and your team at Cyber Peace. Moving forward to our next award, which is Excellence in Research. And the award goes to Ashita Joshi and S. Anas Ahmed, ISB से एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं इनके लिए. Let's welcome the team here on the stage. Moving forward to our next one, which is in the field of excellence in research again, and the award goes to Nikore Associates. The concerned people unfortunately are not here. We will deliver their awards to them. Our next award is in the category of Excellence in Women Empowerment and Skilling, and it goes to Professor Dr. M. Afshar Alam, Vice Chancellor Jamia Ahmedabad. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for Professor Dr. Alam. Can we request the entire team from Jamia Ahmedabad to please come forward and accept the small token of appreciation from our end? I would request all the ladies to please come forward. Many congratulations to the entire Jamia Hamdard team. Please accept this small token of appreciation from our end.
Okay, now look here. Once again.
Congratulations everybody. Can we have a round of applause please? Our next award is for excellence in research, and it goes to IWWA. I wish ISST and Quantum Hub. Can we have a round of applause with the entire team? I would also like to tell you that this is the team that has contributed diligently for our report here today as well. So they have been putting in a lot of hard work, number of hours, and we truly are grateful for their immense effort for the same. So the workforce report, Women in Workforce Report 2023-2024 has been diligently curated by their team. So the loud of applause has to be very loud. goes to Dr. Nirupam Madan. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैडम के लिए. She has been the first medical superintendent in AIIMS in the last 15 years. Can we have a round of applause for the lady? Come on, people, make some noise. Many, many congratulations, ma'am.
That's the first lady superintendent, not the first superintendent. Yes.
Ma'am, many, many congratulations. Please accept the small token of appreciation from our end. We are truly delighted to have you here with us, and I would... Yes, we have to thank our special guest here today. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मैडम के लिए. She has been kind enough to present all our awards here. A humble thank you to Srimati Meeta Rajiv Lochan ji.